Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Mathematics for grade 10, exercise number 5.2, question number 4, sub of 1. Given that U mean that universal sheet is equal to x such that x belong to natural number and 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 20. Mean that universal sheet is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 20. And sheet A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12, 13, 17. Sheet B is equal to 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 17, 18. Now we using De Morgan law to solve the above question. The De Morgan law, which consists of two sub-laws. The first one is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. The second one is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. First we solve the first one, A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So we are taking the left hand side. For the left hand side, first we find A union B, which is equal to A union B. So the union of A and B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17 and 18. Now A union B whole complement, which is equal to U difference A union B, mean that the element which involve in set U but does not involve in A union B set, or A union B whole complement is equal to the element except of A union B. So this one is the universal set and this one is the A union B set. So A union B whole complement, which is equal to the element which involve in set U. So 9 which involve in set U but does not involve in set A union B, 9. So we take 9 here. Similarly 15 which involve in set U but does not involve in set A union B. Similarly 16, 19 and 20. This one is A union B whole complement and this one is equation number first. Now we find the right hand side of the first law, which is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So first we find A complement which is equal to U difference A, mean that the element which involve in set U but does not involve in set A. So this one is set U, mean that universal set difference, and this one is set A. So A complement, the element which involve in set 1. So 1 which involve in set U but does not involve in set A. So we take 1. Similarly 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 and 20. Now we find B complement, which is equal to U difference B. The element which involve in set U but does not involve in set B. This one is universal set and this one is set B. So B complement the element which involve in universal set. So 2 which involve in set U but does not involve in set B. Similarly 3 which involve in set U but does not involve in set B. Similarly 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 19, 16, 19 and 20. Now we find the intersection of A complement and B complement. So the intersection of this one is set A complement intersection and this one is B complement. So the intersection element in both set are 9 which is common. Similarly 15 which is common, 16 which is intersection, similarly 19 and 20. So A complement intersection B complement which is equal to 9, 15, 16, 19, 20 and this one is equation number second. So from first and second it follows A union B whole complement which is equal to A complement intersection B complement. This one is equation number first which is equal to 9, 15, 16, 19 and 20 and this one is the equation number 2 which is equal to 9, 15, 16, 19 and 20. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, mean that A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now we solve the second law which is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. First we take left hand side. So for the left hand side first we find A intersection B. So this one set A intersection and this one is set B. So intersection in set A and B is only 17 which is common in both sets. So intersection B is equal to 17. Now we find A intersection B whole complement which is equal to U difference A intersection B. So this one set U difference and this one is set A intersection B. Mean that the element which involve in set U but does not involve in set A intersection B. So all the element which involve in set U but does not involve in set A intersection B except 17. Because 17 involved in A intersection B. So A intersection B whole complement is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 except 17. Except 17, 19 and 20. And this one is equation number third. Now we find A complement union B complement. First we find A complement which is equal to U difference A, mean that the element which involve in set U but does not involve in set A. So this one is set U, mean that universal set difference set A and this one is set A. So A complement which is equal to U dependence A means that the element which involve in set U but does not involve in A. So 1 which involve in set U but does not involve in set A. Similarly 4 which involve here but does not involve in set A. Similarly 6, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 and 20. This one is A complement. Now we find B complement. B complement which is equal to U difference B mean that the element which involve in universal set but does not involve in set B. So this one is universal set difference, this one is set B. So B complement is equal to 2 because 2 involve in set U but does not involve in set A. Similarly 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 19 and 20. Now we find A complement union B complement. So A complement which is equal to 1, 4, 6 and B complement which is equal to 2, 3. So this one is A complement union, this one is B complement. The union of A complement and B complement which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16, 18, 19 and 20. And this one is equation number 4. From equation number 3 and 4 it follows A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement, means that left hand side which is equal to right hand side. From equation number 3 which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 except 17. Similarly equation number 4 which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 except 17. So A intersection B whole complement which is equal to A complement union B complement.